going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing the Realme X. I think could be the best budget Android out right now. No question about it. We're going to look at it. I got this article from Android Central. It is what it is. Can't get my hands on it yet, but I just want to discuss how good this phone could be. So I haven't had hands on, so I'm going by what I see here. It's beautiful, man. Look at the screen, man. The screen is beautiful. Oh my god. I will also leave a link below to this article that I got. But oh my god. Wow, it's beautiful. So from what I could read here, let me see if I can understand it. I guess the front camera has 20 megapixel. It's a 91.2 screen ratio to the phone. So if I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 6.4, 6.4, 6.3 screen, which is dope. It has an in-screen fingerprint reader. It has the Volt charge, which is one of the top charging, I guess, that you could get at a phone. It has a Snapdragon 710. It has, you could get it, I think the most is 8 gigs of RAM plus 128 storage, which is not bad, and it comes with the Color OS 6, which I never tried, so I really can't say. Wow, man, it's a really dope. 6.53. Wow, that's a big screen right there. It says it right there. Right there. AMOLED panel with Gorilla 5. It's a dope. And the rear cameras is 48 megapixel from the Sony IMX 586 sensor with a 16 megapixel pop-up. So I misread what it said there, but I couldn't understand. But it's all good. It's all good. We got the information here, which is not bad. Okay, let's see what else they got here. So the 4 gig, 64 storage, 4 gig of RAM and 64 storage is gonna go for $175. Wow. No, hold on, wait. Oh, that's the China variant. Okay, the China variant. So going for the, I guess, the international one. So that same one that I said it was gonna be 175 is actually 220, which is not bad. Perfect. And the 8 gig of RAM, 128 storage is gonna be 260. Wow, man, this is gonna be a good budget phone. It could probably compete with other budget phones that cost a little bit more, but the screen ratio, man. I seen the OnePlus 7 Pro and it looks crazy, but it's out of my price range right now. But this phone is a definitely should get. Definitely should get. Well, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna leave a donation link to my PayPal so you could donate to me so I could grow my channel, have tech, and eventually give them away. That's my whole main plan. Is if I have tech that I'm not gonna use, I'll give it away. I'm not gonna be holding tech for no reason, knowing that somebody might have better use than I will. So make sure you donate something. Anything helps. So it's your boy Cartoon. Peace.